Hey guys, I'm Courtney Hanson. You might recognize me from TV, but really, I'm just a small town girl who loves cars. I grew up in racing, hanging at the tracks and in the garage with my dad, and I've been driving everything with an engine since I was 4 years old. For me, summer means one thing: a chance to take the top off my T-Bird and hit the open road. There's nothing that I love more than cruising, and I know I'm not alone. Whether it's antiques, hot rods, muscle cars, trucks, late model imports, collector cars are a source of fun and recreation for thousands of enthusiasts like you and me throughout the world. This July, let's head to the streets and share our four-wheeled passion. Won't you help me in celebrating Collector Car Appreciation Day? Get your special ride out of the garage and head to an event near you. Let's ensure that our devotion to these rare beauties is honored and recognized. How will you be spending Collector Car Appreciation Day? I'll be cruising in my T-Bird. Want to ride shotgun?